Gamestop, how to use gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use your Gamestop gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically use your Gamestop gift card online, first of all you have to go ahead and then open your browser, and then once you open your browser you have to simply go to gamestop.com. I will also make sure to drop a link. Make sure that you are logged into your account. To use your Gamestop gift card, first of all you have to add the products that you want to buy to your cart, and then just tap the cards icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap the cards icon, just go to the checkout page by tapping the checkout option that you can find at the bottom. And once you have done that, over here under the payment settings you'll find an option called add gift card or trade in credit. So all you have to do is tap on add gift card or trade in credit. Make sure to enter your gift card or trade in number, the pin code of the gift card, tap the apply option, and depending upon the value of the gift card it will get successfully used to purchase this product over here. This way you will be able to use your Gamestop gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.